In this video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome to its original default settings on your computer. This process can help fix many issues such as slow performance, freezing, random pop-ups, and unwanted changes to your homepage or search engine. It's a simple and safe method that restores Chrome to a fresh, clean state. Almost like when you first installed it. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and lets me continue creating helpful tutorials like this one. Over time, Chrome can accumulate a lot of cached data, extensions, and background processes that may slow it down. Sometimes, third-party software or extensions can modify your browser settings without your knowledge, causing unexpected ads, redirects, or strange behavior. Resetting Chrome removes all of these unwanted changes and brings your browser back to its stable default setup without affecting your personal data like bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, look to the left-hand menu and scroll down to find the Reset Settings section. Click on it. On the right side, you'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Go ahead and select that. A confirmation box will appear explaining what will happen. It will reset Chrome's startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. However, your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history will not be deleted, so you won't lose your personal information. Once you've reviewed the details, click Reset Settings. Chrome will automatically close, perform the reset, and reopen in its original clean state. When it restarts, you'll notice the default homepage, Google search engine, and original theme restored. After the reset, you can re-enable only the extensions you trust by going to the extensions page from the menu. This helps keep your browser light and secure. You might also want to clear your browsing data manually or sign back into your Google account to sync your bookmarks and settings again. If your Chrome was previously lagging or crashing, you should now see a noticeable improvement in performance. The reset essentially removes any corrupted files or conflicting extensions that were slowing your browser down. And that's it. That's how to reset Google Chrome to its original default settings in Windows 11. It's a quick and effective fix for most Chrome-related problems. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more easy and helpful tech guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.